Everyone, thank you for the opportunity given for us to introducing our newest mobile applications based on waste management system that will be launched on end of year 2024 Daur. We are built from five Indonesian entrepreneurs as an eco-conscious people who want to seek the opportunity to help one of the largest issue in Indonesia, waste. My name is Elizabeth and I am the CEO of Daur. Let me introduce you to my other four friends who are the amazing team behind Daur application. Inka Milan, she is a marketing lead. She has the responsibility of building brands awareness on modern way, adjusting to the recent culture. She also responsible in strategy, messaging, positioning, and visual identity brand to ensure consistency across all marketing channels. Paulus is the chief on the operation team. He is an expertise from the operation field from the past 25 years, and he will be overseas and ensuring the brands operates efficiently, safely, and comply with the local regulations. Next one, Mr. Chandra. He is the CRO or Chief Regulatory Officer. He holds an important role as the whole business won't operate and grows if all the regulations are not comply with the standards. Last but not least, the most important part is Alpha X. He is the important key to the business source of money, cost controlling, budget, and financial health. Before we continue further with details of Daur application explained by other teams, I want to let you know several facts about waste management or waste facts in this world. Number one, did you know that actually 250 million tons of waste in the world was collected every month? And as you can see from this chart, 29% are from papers, followed by food scraps or organic waste, followed by plastic and the other things. Now our country, Indonesia, from 12% of plastic waste composition is the second highest country in the world, which polluting oceans the most. We had a serious problem with plastic waste in here. And do you know how long they will be gone? Around 50 until 250 years if not handled with serious recycling. Now, by looking at the facts, we built Daur with purposes based on four missions below. Now let's move on the four main missions and purpose behind Daur. Now the first one, we want to minimize waste generation. We want to protect our children, our grandchildren. We want to achieving both healthy environment and sustainable living habit to protect future generation. Second one is we want to have a sustainable living education. As teenagers nowadays, most of them are looking for sustainable practices in regular living, and we want to develop it all to many more public organizations. And the third one, main purpose is we want to have a social mission on lives of scavengers. Indonesia, as largest waste contribution in Asia, we have many scavengers, whether it's informal or formal organizations. We want to improve the well-being and livelihoods of individuals engaged in informal or either formal waste collection, giving them a chance to have a decent life. And then the last one, our main purpose is we want to optimize resources and recovery by maximizing the efficiency of resources utilization through 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now that's the four main mission or purpose why we want to build Daur. Now that's all about Daur. Now let's move to the marketing part and to my other friends that want to talk more about Daur.
Hello, I'm Inka Milan. I'm the Chief Marketing Director. I want to introduce our product. This is Daur. Daur is a super application system for waste handling. In our system, we have a menu for garbage collection, garbage disposal, waste recycling, and also eco-friendly market. This application is very easy for anyone to use, and our target market is residential, industrial, government, and public institutions, and also public events or educational institutes. And how to develop this product? We have some strategies. We can promote this product by social media marketing, content-based marketing, local events, public advertisement, Google local service, and print advertisement like flyers are example of this. That's all our product. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Paulus, as a CEO, Chief Operating Officer. And now I would like to share with you what Operation Day do day by day. First is about preparation. Before we do our working day-to-day, we need to prepare our tools, our machine, our transportation, and also schedule. And then number 2 is pickup service. So in pickup service is more to our customer. First, after we arrive at customer house, greeting our customer. And the second, pick up the waste. And then make sure we pick up and also clean. And after that, we confirm that all will be already done. And then we say thank you to our customer. Third is about closing. For the closing, we need to make sure our tools is clean, our transportation is clean, and also we put down everything about feedback, about input, anything that happened day by day, we put on the logbook to make sure we following up if something wrong by today. And by that, we need to make sure by we doing the operational excellence, we give the best customer service to all our customer. Thank you. That's for operation. And then I will pass by to my partners, Chandra.
Hi everyone, my name is Chandra Rea. I'm a Chief Regulatory Officer. I will explain my role as a Chief Regulatory Officer. The first one is we need to adapt to changing environmental regulations. It's because it's crucial to develop a strategic approach that not only meets legal requirements but also positions us for sustainability growth. Our strategy involves staying ahead of regulatory trends, engaging with policymakers, and ensuring that our operations are flexible enough to adapt to new laws and regulations. And second, compliance oversight. Our focus is on implementing robust systems to ensure continuous compliance with all waste management laws and guidelines. This involves regular audits, continuous monitoring of our operations, and a proactive approach to environmental stewardship. And third, risk management. We identify and mitigate risks associated with waste handling, disposal, and recycling. Environmental risks such as contamination and operational risks, like logistical challenges, are systematically assessed. Move on to stakeholder engagement. This is the key in the waste management sector. We actively engage with community expectation and our environmental goals. Lastly, training and education from the backbone of our operational excellence. We invest heavily in training of our staff, not only on compliance but also on the best practices in waste management. This ensures that our team is not only competent but also forward-thinking. In conclusion, the role of a Chief Regulatory Officer is integral to the sustainable success of any organization. That's all from me.
I am Alfaiz Ridho, CFO of Daur. Now, let's move to the budget and revenue of Daur. We basically separate our costs into 4 types. The first is the fixed costs, include infrastructure, equipment, and application. Then we have a variable cost that include employee salaries, operating expense, etc. Then we specially classify our marketing costs to advertise and promote our brand. Then we have other costs to mitigate the risk of possible costs in the future. Now, let's move to the revenue. How Daur generate the revenue? The first one is share profit with the local waste managers because we want to empower them too. The second is the special service fee from the customer. Then we also have revenue from selling our recycling products in our website and apps or other e-commerce. And we also have revenue from the advertising space that available in our website and application. Now, let's move to the roadmap of the Daur. In the first to third month, we are planning to conduct marketing research and plan. Then, in the 4 to the 9 month, we address legal requirement, set up infrastructure, and develop our application. In the 10 to 15 month, we are start to hiring and training our employee and start our product marketing and branding. Finally, in the 16 to 18 month, we are started to soft launching our application, and at the end, we finally launch our official application. From that, we also commit to continuous improvement to provide our customers and beneficiary needs.
Our journey has finally come to an end. You have seen all the explanation from Daur stream, starting from marketing, Inka, from operation, Paulus, from regulatory, Chandra, and finally our finance team, Alpha S. Based on the roadmap trend line explained by Alpha S before, we are going to launch Daur after 18 months on development. If you are interested, you can download our application accessible through iOS or Android. Join us and let's save the earth, let's support our community, let's support scavengers' lives, and let's do Daur with love. Thank you.